Now we're going to prepare our dessert. It's a fruit and vegetable minestrone with limonaria sherbet. The ingredients are the following, starting with the sherbet, which is an infusion prepared with limonaria herbs. It's a type of herbal tea enriched with a syrup used to prepare the sherbet. Then we have Moscato wine, which is used as a base for an infusion. Various spices, cloves, Tonka bean, cinnamon, licorice, black peppercorns, raw sugar, star anise, and chamomile flowers. For the fruit and vegetable minestrone, we are using peaches, apples, carrots, blueberries, string beans, strawberries, and a decoration we have prepared a wafer made of almonds and fisherman's sweet. To start preparing the dish, we pour the Moscato wine into a bowl. We add our spices, raw sugar, star anise, crumbled cinnamon, whole black peppercorn, cloves, and chamomile flowers. We also tear and add a few mint leaves. We stir everything together and we will leave it to infuse for 5 to 5 hours. Take the fruit and arrange it in a deep dish as you would do with a classic fruit salad. String beans, strawberries, so that'll give some color to the dish, finely sliced carrots. Everything is served raw. They are sliced and immersed in water with ice. Now we take the previously prepared infusion, we pour it into the fruit and vegetable salad using a sieve. And there we have our minestrone. Put a scoop of limonaria sherbet in the middle of the dish and garnish with almond and fisherman's wafer, some mint leaves, and sprinkle everything with grated Tonka bean. This bean comes from the islands of Hawaii. Is heavily perfumed. The dish is ready. Buon appetito!